Hello students, welcome back to the Greatmen online learning. I hope you all are doing well at your home. Today we will be learning chapter 6, that is plants, preparing and storing food. Okay, in this chapter we will learn how plants prepare their food and store their food. Okay. As you know, most plants and trees have green leaves. The presence of a substance called chlorophyll makes a leaf green. When you see a leaf and it is green in color, why? Because of the presence of a substance called chlorophyll. What it is called? Chlorophyll. Yes. Only green leaves can make food for the plant since they contain chlorophyll. And green leaves need what all things? Air, water and sunlight to prepare the food. Now we will see how food is made in the plants. So what all things are needed? As you can see in the figure, a plant takes in water from the soil and carbon dioxide from the air. In the presence of sunlight, the light of the sun, the green leaves change air and water into food, which is stored in the form of starch in the leaves. Okay, and sunlight provides energy to these leaves for preparing food. Hence, what all things are required to prepare the food by the leaves? They need water, carbon dioxide, which is a gas present in the environment, chlorophyll and sunlight. These are the four things that are needed by leaves to prepare food. And the process of making food is called photosynthesis. What it is called? Photosynthesis. In the word photosynthesis, photo means light, and here we are talking about sunlight, and synthesis means putting together. So, since sunlight is required to put water and carbon dioxide together as food, so here sunlight helps to change air and water to make food into the, and it is stored in the form of starch in the plants, and this process of making food by the plants is called photosynthesis. Okay, now we will learn parts of a leaf. For this you have to take a leaf of a peepal tree and you have to observe the leaf from the lower surface. You have to observe the lower surface of the leaf. What you will see? You will see there is a main vein running along the center of the leaf. Okay, so that main vein is also called midrib. It is also called midrib, and the leaf also has some of the side veins. It has a number of side veins. And you can see in the main vein, it is formed by double pipeline of the cells. One pipeline contains water and mineral to the cells of the leaf, and the second other pipeline carries prepared food which is being prepared in the leaves. It takes from the green cells to other parts of the plant. Okay, so this is the function of the main vein. Now on the underside of the leaf you will also see small holes or tiny pores. These small holes and pores are called stomata. Okay, as you can see in the figure, during photosynthesis a leaf takes in carbon dioxide and gives out oxygen and water vapor through these stomata. So these stomata help the leaf to take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. Okay, you know that when we say that the leaf or the plant take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen, so the stomata of the plant of the leaf help them to take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen. Now we will see how do plants use their food. The food prepared by the plants is in the form of simple sugar, okay, and it is used in a number of ways. As you use your food to get energy to grow, same as with plants, they also use the food to get energy, and some of it is used for their growth, and extra food is stored in the form of starch in leaves, stems or roots, and we eat these parts of the plant. So what all are the parts of the plant that we eat? We eat fruits, leaves, seeds, roots or stem of the plant. For example, like mango, spinach, peas, carrot and sugarcane. The food is stored in the fruits, leaves, seeds, roots or stem of the plant, and we eat that part of the plant which has the food stored in it. Okay. Next we will learn about some unusual plants. Some unusual plants like cactus. Cactus is an unusual plant. Why? Because it doesn't have leaves. Okay, cactus do not have leaves. So then where the food is being made? The food is made in their green stem. They have green colored stem in which the food is being made for the cactus. And some of the plants like molds and mushrooms, these are non-green plants. Their leaves have no green color and they are called non-green plants. So they do not have chlorophyll, so they cannot make their own food. So they get their food from dead and decaying plants and animals. They depend on dead animals and plants for their food. One other plant is also shown in the figure, that is croton. Okay, the leaves of croton have chlorophyll, but they appear dark red. They are not in green color. This is because the presence of the red substance hides the green chlorophyll, but these croton makes their own food. Okay, it has chlorophyll present in them. Now there are 3 activities given in your book at page 51, 52 and 53. Page 51 and 52. These activities will show you that photosynthesis take place in such leaves, and it is because of the chlorophyll present in them and they need sunlight to prepare the food, and green leaves have starch present in them. Okay, read these activities and perform it. Next, we will learn about energy flow in living things. You know, we need energy for every activity that we do. And this energy comes from food. When we eat food, we get energy to do work. This food is prepared by green plants. And green plants trap the sun's energy during photosynthesis to prepare food, and this energy is being transferred to the humans and animals when we eat plants. Okay, so this is the way energy flows from sun to plants and then plants to animals and then to human beings, or directly from plants to human beings. Next we will learn that how animals and plants depend on each other. In the figure, as you can see, the animals need food to eat and oxygen to breathe, and this food they get from plants or other animals, and they get this oxygen from the plants. Okay, so animals depend on plants for their food or for their survival. Same for the plants. Plants need carbon dioxide to prepare food. So animal breathe out carbon dioxide. This is being used by plants. So this means that plants and animals both depend on each other for their survival. Next we will see the balance in nature. There is a balance in nature, and this balance needs to be maintained between the number of plants and the animals. What will happen if there is sudden increase in the number of animals, or if there is sudden increase in number of plants, or if there is a decrease in any of them? This balance gets disturbed. So to maintain this balance in nature, we have to protect both plants and animals. Okay, and for this, programs like Van Mahotsav help to promote the planting of trees. People are made aware to grow more and more plants. So, if life on earth has to go on, this balance in nature must be maintained. This was the last topic. Let's see what all things we have studied today. The process of preparation of food in the green leaves of plants is called photosynthesis. Yes, this is the process by which plants make their own food. And what all things they need to prepare food? They need water, carbon dioxide, chlorophyll and sunlight. Leaves have stomata, and stomata helps them to take in carbon dioxide and give out oxygen and water vapor. And leaves also have veins to carry water and food, and it has green cells with chlorophyll to make food, which helps the leaves to make food. The food or sugar made by the leaf is burnt to give energy. It is used by plants to grow, and it is stored as in the form of starch. The flow of energy from sun to plant, then animals and humans, help them both to survive. And the balance between plants and animal life is needed for life on earth to go on, and this balance should be maintained. Okay, so by this we have completed the chapter. Now the assignment related to the chapter, question answers and exercises can be found below in the description box. Till the time, stay safe, stay at home, study at home. Thank you.